In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a laptop keyboard that's not working on Windows 11. Whether it's a temporary glitch or a more persistent issue, we have a few methods you can try to get those keys tapping again. First and foremost, let's start with the simplest troubleshooting step, a restart. Occasionally, your laptop might just need a quick reboot to fix any temporary issues affecting the keyboard. Restarting your laptop can clear out minor software glitches and refresh the system, which might be all that's needed to get your keyboard back in tip-top shape. Next, let's rule out the possibility of a locked keyboard. Different manufacturers have different key combinations that could lock or unlock your keyboard, so it's worth trying a few of them. One of the most common combinations is FN and ESC, or FN and F6. Hold down the FN key on your keyboard and then press either the ESC key or the F6 key. This quick check can help ensure that your keyboard hasn't simply been inadvertently locked by one of these combinations. If restarting and key combination attempts haven't resolved the issue, it's time to delve a little deeper and test the keyboard in BIOS. You're going to need to restart your laptop once more. As the device powers back up, start tapping the F2 key repeatedly. This will help you enter the BIOS mode, particularly if you are using an ASUS laptop. Once in BIOS, try using the arrow keys to navigate. If the keyboard functions here, it indicates a problem with Windows or your keyboard drivers. On the other hand, if it doesn't work in BIOS, there might be a hardware issue at play, and it may require the attention of a technician. Now, assuming your keyboard works in BIOS, let's focus on the potential driver issue. What you'll need to do is reinstall the keyboard driver. Start by pressing the Windows key and X key on your keyboard simultaneously. This should open up a menu where you'll select Device Manager. Once inside, look for Keyboards and click to expand this section. Next, right-click on your keyboard device and select Uninstall Device. Don't worry, this is just temporary. Once you've done that, restart your laptop yet again. Upon reboot, Windows will automatically reinstall the default keyboard driver for you. This process can resolve driver-related issues that may have been affecting keyboard functionality. There you have it. We've covered a series of steps that can often resolve keyboard problems on your Windows 11 laptop. If your keyboard remains unresponsive after these troubleshooting efforts, consider reaching out to the manufacturer or professional repair service for further assistance. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has helped you bring your keyboard back to life.